What's up, YouTube friends? So I saw this idea on Pinterest. It looked super cute and really easy, and I had to give it a try. Today we're going to be making these little wishes in a jar. The things you're going to need to make one of these is a glass jar of some sort. I got this one at Hobby Lobby. Originally it was $7.99, but it was 40% off. And this one comes with a nice little wood base. You're going to need some sort of little stick. I just went out to the backyard and found some little fancy ones. Anything with some character will do. You're also going to need some dandelions. Now this is the perfect time of year for these, and you want to get the ones that are just closed and have that little bit of white fluff on top. And some floral wire. Today I'll be using black. You can use silver also, it doesn't really matter. So the first thing I did was go ahead and cut down my little stick to fit on the base of my jar. Eventually at the end I'm going to hot glue these down on there. And then I'm just going to kind of measure my dandelions just to make sure that they fit in my jar. And these ones do. You might have to cut off a little bit, and I'm just going to use my scissors. Now the dandelion stem does have a hole in it. And that's what I'm going to thread my wire through, very carefully. And I think they look pretty natural when you keep the bends in the wire. And then you just want to wrap it around your stick. You can also go ahead and give your dandelions a little bend if you need to. Now you could probably put as many as you want in here, but I'm just going to stick with 2. That's what the lady on the video did. Now I'm just going to make sure that they have plenty of room to open up in my jar. These ones do. So I'm just going to take a little hot glue just to make sure my stem doesn't move. So just like that. I'm probably going to come back and add some moss here at the bottom just to cover the little hot glue dots. And then all you got to do is put the top on your jar. So this one's kind of touching the glass, so I'm going to move it over a little bit. You kind of want them both in the middle, but just make sure that you have enough room for them to open up also. So just like that. Now over the next couple days these will open up and dry out, and you can keep these forever. So I did go ahead and just grab some of my moss. I just want to cover up some of this wire. I think it looks a lot more natural. So I'm just going to let these set for a couple days, and I'll bring it back when they're all opened up and show you the end product. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 days, and this one, both of them opened up very nicely. And on this one of them's still trying to open up. I find if you place them in the sun, they do open up better. So I'm going to stick this one back in the window. But I think these turned out adorable, and you have a keepsake that will last forever as long as you don't jostle it around too much. I hope you give this quick little craft a try. This is the perfect time of year with all these dandelions out in the yard. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit that big red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a question about this video or an idea for an upcoming video, leave me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. happy dandelion picking, and I'll see you next time.